In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Upwork online for messages. This quick setting helps you show up as active to clients and teammates, making it clear you're available to respond right now. It doesn't change your availability badge or your work hours. It simply toggles your real-time message presence, which can improve your responsiveness and help you catch new conversations as they come in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is just a simple way to get to the official Upwork site without typing the full address. On the Google homepage, click into the search bar so you're ready for the next step. Type Upwork into the search field and hit enter. You should see the official Upwork website at the top of the results. It will typically show the main Upwork domain. Click that result to go straight to the site. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your profile menu and settings. Once you're on Upwork and signed in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo or avatar there. Click it to open your account menu. This drop-down is where quick controls live, including your message presence. It's the fastest place to adjust whether you appear online to others in messages without digging through deeper settings. In that menu, look for the option labeled Online for Messages. You'll see a small toggle switch next to it. This is the control you'll use to manage your message presence status. If it's currently off, you're not appearing as online. The label makes it clear what the toggle affects: how you show up in chat, not whether you receive messages. You still receive messages either way, but turning this on signals that you're actively around. Click the toggle to switch it on. When it's enabled, the toggle typically changes color to indicate it's active, and you may notice a green dot appear next to your avatar, showing that you're online in messages. That's it. Your presence is now set. If you ever want to step away without fully logging out, just return to the same menu and click the toggle again to switch it off. A quick refresh can help confirm the status change visually, though it usually updates immediately. To recap, you opened Google, searched for Upwork, went to the official site, clicked your profile at the top right, found the Online for Messages toggle, and switched it on. With that done, you're ready to respond faster and make your availability clear to clients.